Welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. In today's video, we will learn data recovery on a formatted drive with TestDisk. If you have accidentally formatted your drive or lost important files, don't worry. This method can help you get them back. So let's begin. First, open your browser. I'm using Google Chrome, and in the search bar, type TestDisk download and press enter. From the search results, click on the official website, which should be from cgsecurity.org. This is the trusted source where you can download the tool. Once you're on the page, you'll see download options for different operating systems. If you are using a 32-bit version of Windows, click on that, but if you have a 64-bit Windows system, then click on the 64-bit option. In my case, I am using Windows 64-bit, so I will download that one. The download will start immediately, and within a few moments, it will be completed depending on your internet speed. After the download is finished, go to your Downloads folder, find the file, right-click on it, and select Extract here. This will start the extraction process and create a new folder with all the TestDisk files. Now, open the folder and look for a file called photorec_win.exe. Double-click on it to run, and you'll see a command prompt-style black window open on your screen. Don't worry if it looks complicated, just follow the steps I show you. Inside the program, press Enter to continue. It will then display a list of drives connected to your computer. Select the drive you want to recover data from, let's say it's your C drive, and press Enter. After that, the program will ask you to select the partition type. In most cases, just press Enter to continue with the default option. Now you will see two choices, free and whole. The free option scans for deleted files in the unused space, while the whole option does a deeper scan of the entire drive. For this tutorial, I'll select free and press Enter. Once selected, you'll be asked to choose where you want the recovered files to be saved. It's very important that you do not save the files back to the same drive you're trying to recover from, as it can overwrite the data. So, use your arrow keys to select another drive or folder, and then press Enter. TestDisk will begin the recovery process. This can take some time depending on the size of your drive and the amount of data, so be patient and let it finish. You'll see files being listed as they are found and restored. After the process is complete, you've successfully recovered data from a formatted drive using TestDisk. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to TechGetter Official.